Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Watch this. Your performance report says 87% PR. Looks good, but the real metric? 72%. Why the gap? Because performance ratio compares against 5-year-old assumptions, not reality. Your site should be producing 100 units given current weather, equipment, and conditions. You're producing 87. That's a 13-15% hidden loss, worth $300K, $500K annually on a 100 millbar farm. And your contractor doesn't want you to know because it reveals their incompetence. Today, I'm exposing what your performance ratio really means and what you should measure instead. Performance ratio is industry standard. Sounds impressive, but it's also the perfect hiding place for mediocre operations. Here's why contractors love it. PR measures against expected output based on outdated design assumptions. If the site was designed with 4.5 peak sun hours and you're actually getting 4.1, PR doesn't account for that. The contractor says, we're meeting your 85% PR guarantee and you accept it, but you should be meeting 95% given real conditions. The gap? That's where your money disappears silently every single month. You're thinking, performance ratio is what every solar site uses. It's audited. It's transparent. Yes, it's transparently misleading. It's like saying your car gets 95% of EPA mileage without mentioning you're driving in mountains instead of the highway the EPA tested. The metric isn't wrong, it's just outdated. It was designed in 2015 when contractors needed a simple way to prove they met SLAs. But it never evolved to account for real operational inefficiency. Here's what to measure instead. Metric number 1, string level thermal variance. Each string should produce the same power under identical conditions. If string 5 produces 8% less, it's degrading or shaded. This is invisible in site-level PR. Metric number 2, weather-adjusted energy yield. Calculate what you should produce given today's conditions, not 2015 engineering estimates. If today you should produce 100 units and you produce 87, you have a 13% operational gap. Metric number 3, inverter efficiency curves. Track efficiency by operating point. If efficiency drops from 95% to 92% at certain power levels, you have a maintenance issue. PR hides this. Metric number 4, clipping losses versus expected. Some clipping is normal, but if clipping increases year over year, you have a dispatch problem or a thermal management issue. We've exposed how performance ratio hides 15% in real losses and masks contractor incompetence. The fix? Real-time, weather-adjusted metrics that reveal operational truth. Your site is probably reporting 85 to 90% PR while actually operating at 70 to 75% of real potential. That gap? It's $300K, $500K annually on 100 Muller farms. But you don't see it because the metric hides it. Schedule a free performance reality check. We'll analyze your actual versus weather-adjusted expected, run string-level variance analysis, and show you the real performance gap contractors are hiding. For 100 Miller portfolios, this reveals 10 to 20% underperformance worth $500K $1. Book your reality check. First 30 operators get a detailed performance forensics report showing every hidden loss. Your performance report says 87% PR and looks good, but it's hiding a 15% operational gap worth $300K $500 year. Why? PR compares against 5-year-old assumptions, not real conditions. Here's what contractors don't want you to know. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.